I became a criminal defense lawyer straight out of graduating from law school because I wanted to use my background, my experience, my knowledge to be able to help a person who's probably facing some of the most difficult times they've ever faced in their life. I am helping someone who's facing long odds, very serious consequences through a process that is complicated and that is terrifying. It feels empowering. I think it feels empowering for me. It feels empowering for my clients, especially because the experience of being charged with a crime, to that person, it's always serious. To that person, it can always be scary. I think that Price Benowitz is the most client-centered criminal defense firm that you can have. To not just serve as a good lawyer for them, but to serve as their advocate. I think Price Benowitz really focuses on attorneys who have that skill and who prioritize that client-centered approach. The test of a good lawyer, because we always have to expect the possibility that we may not always get the result that we want. Sometimes we get a higher sentence than what we hope for. Sometimes there's a jury that finds our client guilty when we didn't think that that should have been the case. I think it's when you get the result that you weren't hoping for, and you still have the client come up to you afterwards and say, you did a great job, you did everything you could have in this case. Made the arguments that needed to be made, that you investigated what needed to be investigated, and you put your all into that case. Sometimes it doesn't work out your way. We always hope we get the not guilty. We always hope we get the great sentence at the end where you get to have your client walk out with you and walk out of the courtroom with you, and it doesn't always happen. And when it doesn't, and you still have a client tell you that, thank you for everything that you did, that stays with you.